Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable or disable iPhone charging sound on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable or disable iPhone charging sound of your iPhone, just open the Shortcuts app. Now, if you cannot find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, just download it from the App Store. Now, once you open the Shortcuts app, just tap on Automation. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just search Charger. Now from here, once you search Charger, just tap on Charger. Now from here, make sure you select Is Connected, which means to do an action when your iPhone is connected to the charger. Now from here, make sure you enable Run Immediately. Now from here, make sure you disable Notify when run. Now from here, once you have done that, just tap on Next. Now from here, tap on New Blank Automation. Now from here, just search Set Volume. Now from here, tap on Set Volume. Now what this action does is that when your iPhone is connected to the power, it will set the volume down to 0%. Just tap on 50% and scroll down and swipe to the left and select 0. Now once you have done that, just tap on Done. Now from here, as you can see, when your iPhone is connected to the power, it will set the volume down to 0%. Now, this is how you can disable the charging sound on your iPhone. Now, if you want to enable the charging sound on your iPhone, just swipe from the right to the left and delete the automation we just created, and it will automatically enable the charging sound on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable or disable the charging sound on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.